been twisting round.
There you go. Is that it coming out the arse end? No.
No, it's just the end.
That's low though.
Yeah, well, it could touch down again.
That was definitely it. There you go. See how low that is? Look. That's still there. Oh, look at that! Oh!
Look at that water.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God, that's horrific. Open the door. Sorry.
Wow. Another one this side as well.
Oh my word. Two of them. Wow, that's mad. That's coming inland. Is the other one stopped? No, he's behind him.
Got smaller than the one behind. Did you see the birds flying though?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow, that's a big. Isn't it?
Yeah. Here it comes.
Oh. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you see it? And the little one's still following along behind.
Wow. That's gonna hit. I'm gonna take this upstairs. Hola, amigo. Amigo. Jesus, that's going to take the bridge out.
It's the other side of the bridge, isn't it?
Yeah.
I wonder if he's out there fishing.
Look at the sound it's kicked up.
Yeah. Wow.
Here we go. Hopefully it might die off. Oh, that's just kicked something up.
All the birds come this way.
Yeah. That's going to hit the road.
Something's just shot. Wow.
Whoa! Amigo, look! Senor!
Shit, what was that? Still going? You can still see it going?
Yeah.
That was a roof or something.
That
Or
was a
tree.
roof.
It's getting stronger again.
Wow. Let's get bigger. Oh my word, sir. Let him go up on the roof. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Oh. It's still hitting the centre of Isla Cristina.